Namaste. Welcome. Together, let's take a step towards a cleaner and healthier India. This module is designed to help you understand how the Swachh City Swachh Bharat app for the sanitary engineers works. The module is designed to explain the app in a simple yet informative way. It covers various aspects including download, registration, and understanding the complaint dashboard. Getting started. This slide will help you understand how to download the app. There are two ways to download the app. An SMS will be sent to your phone with the link to the app. Click on the link to download. Or a downloadable link will be provided to you by your municipal corporation. Clicking on the link will take you to the Google Play Store. Please download the app from the store. Getting registered. After downloading the app, please click on the app to open it. The first step after opening the app is to choose your preferred language. You can choose from 8 different languages. If you wish to change your preferred language again at a later time, you will need to log out of the app and log back in. Number verification. After choosing your preferred language, please enter your mobile number on the panel provided. A one-time password or OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number. The OTP is sent to verify the number you have used. The OTP will automatically be selected from your message inbox. The OTP gets automatically recognized if the user is using the number he/she has provided. In case the phone doesn't recognize the OTP, try pressing the resend code button. Please ensure the number provided is the same as the number you are using currently. If the number used for verification is different than the one you have provided, you will have to manually type the OTP. Please refer to the message that will get delivered on the registered number. Sanitary Engineer Onboarding. If you are an engineer and want to register on the app yourself without waiting for municipal corporation's intimation, you can do so. Please download the app and type in your mobile number. If your mobile number is not recognized, you will be asked to type in other details like name, designation, category, email ID and location. Please press the request button after you have completed filling in the form. A thank you note will appear. Your request has now been sent to the municipal corporation. Once it has been verified that you indeed are a sanitary inspector or engineer with that particular corporation, you will be given access to the app. Complaints listing page. Now you are officially registered. You will be taken to the complaints listing page. All complaints you see on the page are those that have not been assigned to any sanitary inspector or engineer. These complaints are displayed by default. The page will have the following features: filter drop-down box on the top, in-app notification button or bell next to the drop-down box, complaints and its corresponding status like on the job, resolved or rejected, change status drop-down box on the complaint card, comments button below each complaint, smileys and vote-ups for resolved complaints below every resolved complaint. The following slides will explain these points in detail. Before understanding the mechanism of the app, let us learn about the 3 important features of the complaint listing page. Filter box. The box appears right on the top and will help you segregate complaints into 7 categories. These are the following categories. Please note all the categories and its explanations. 1. Unassigned. All complaints that are unassigned to any sanitary inspector or engineer are displayed by default on the complaints listing page. 2. all complaints. These are complaints assigned to you. 3. High priority complaints. These complaints will be mentioned as high priority by the agency. 4. On-the-job complaints. The status on these complaints has been changed by you or the agency. This also indicates the complaints you are currently working on. 5. Reopened complaints. Complaints will be reopened by a citizen if dissatisfied with the resolution. Please remember, only resolved complaints can be reopened. 6. Resolved. Once a complaint has been resolved, you or the citizen can close the complaint by changing the status to resolved. 7. Rejected. Complaints that are rejected by you will come under this category. Left menu bar. The same options from the filter box will be available on the left menu. Other than that, it also has 3 other features. 1. Rate us on Play Store. This rating will help the developers understand if you are happy, satisfied or dissatisfied with the app. 2. Report a bug. In case you have issues in using the app, you can bring the problems to the attention of the developer by reporting a bug. This will help developers improve the app for hassle-free usage. 3. Log out button. Clicking this button will log you out of the app. You do not need to log out of the app after using it. Simply closing the app is enough. Closing the app does not log you out. In-app notification. The bell on the right side of the panel indicates number of unread notifications. Once you click on the bell, it will take you to the notification page. When you click on the double ticks, all the unread notifications convert into read messages. And if you want to read previous notifications, click on the previously read button at the bottom of the screen. Complaints page. You are now on the complaints page. Go to the filter box and select all complaints. Now you are seeing all the complaints that have been assigned to you by your municipal corporation or commissioner. After reading the complaints, please see if the complaint status is open or reopen. You have the option to change the status by clicking the Change the Status box to either On the Job or Reject. Please note that the color of the current status of the complaint displayed next to the name of the complainant and Change Status drop-down below the complaint will always be the same. If you want to have a bigger view of the image, click on the image and it will display the image on the browser. Alert pop-up. Once you have clicked on Change Status, an alert box will pop up. It will alert you that you are about to change the status of the complaint. It will then take you to the comment section. Please type the reasons for changing the status. You could also add pictures while changing the status by clicking the camera button on the left bottom side of the screen. This is optional for some status changes. You can either take a picture and upload it or choose a picture from the gallery. Please remember, while changing the status to resolved, a picture is mandatory. Citizen notification. Once you have changed the status of the complaints, the complainant, that is the citizen, will get a push notification regarding status change done by you on their complaints. The notification will also be stored in the app notification of the citizen's app. On the job complaints. After changing the status, the complaint assigned to you is now on the job. Please click on the complaint. You are now on the complaints page. Along with the picture, the page will display the description of the complaint. Please remember, this detailed screen is same for all the complaints, regardless of the status of the complaint. Please note, there are 2 locate symbols. The small arrow shows the route from the current location to the location of the complaint. The left locate button locates the complaint on the Google map. You will also see a comment section. This section will display 3 comments at a time. Status. Please note and remember a few important things with regards to status. 1. Open, reopen. For open and reopened complaints, the only status that you can give is on the job and rejected. 2. On the job. For on the job complaints, you can put only two statuses, resolved and rejected. Resolved complaints. We will learn how to change the status to resolved. Please remember, after resolving the complaint, you have to change the status to resolved. Just click on the Change Status button and choose Resolved option. On resolving the complaint, it is mandatory to post the picture of the complaint that you have solved along with a comment indicating that the issue has been solved. Please note, you cannot change the status without posting a picture of the solved complaint. The complaint will now move to Resolved section along with smileys. You will not be able to see it in the On the Job section. Once resolved, feedback from citizen complainant in the form of smileys will be displayed. Resolved notification. Once you have solved the complaint, the citizen will get a notification saying that the complaint has been resolved. Reopen complaints. This slide explains what happens after a resolved complaint is reopened. On receiving a notification on the status of their complaint, the citizen has the option to reopen the complaint if they are not happy with the resolution. Reopen complaints. Once the complaint is reopened, you will receive an in-app notification. This will reflect only when you open the app. On receiving the notification, you can directly go to the complaint by clicking on the notification, or you can visit the left menu and click on Reopen Complaints. Please note that the current reopened complaint will be the first complaint you see when you click on the Reopen tab. You can change the status to either On the Job or Reject. Once you have changed it to On the Job again, follow the procedure as before. Rejected complaints. You can also choose to reject the complaint. Please remember, you can reject a reopened and On the Job complaint. Some of the reasons for the rejection can be the details of the complaint like location, picture, or the complaint itself is not clear. The complaint doesn't belong to your ward or any others. Hardware notice. This app is available for Android phones only. For other phones, please use the mobile web page. Thank you so much.